Go give love to your body, it's only you that can stop it. Go give love to your body. Go give love to your body.